and welcome back to another exciting episode of Coverage Credits. Today, me and Sirius are going to be doing a couple card games.
Something different.
And we'll see where it goes. First game we're going to be playing is, I just got my Exploding Kittens deck shipped to me.
Now explain what Exploding Kittens is.
I don't know if you guys know, it was huge on Kickstarter. It raised like a couple of these idiot guys, came up with this card game. Were they like YouTubers or what?
I'm not sure.
I think they were. I think they had a YouTube channel.
I hadn't heard about this until you talked about it.
And they came up with this idea. They're like, let's just do a stupid card game called Exploding Kittens. And they're like, all right, let's do it. And it raised like, I want to say like $40 million on Kickstarter. It was one of the biggest Kickstarters in history of Kickstarter for this card game. I went ahead and got the Not Safe for Work deck. That was one of the like stretch goals they unlocked. And we're going to play a game and we'll see how it goes. I think Stereo's going to take some pictures of the cards and superimpose them.
So as we're playing, we'll explain the rules. Actually, as I'm dealing, Kevin will explain the rules.
Alright, basically it is a very, very simple game. Shuffle the deck, you take out all of the diffuse cards and the Exploding Kitten cards and put them to the side. Then you shuffle, if you're playing with two players like we are, you then shuffle two of the diffuse cards back into the deck, as well as one Exploding Kitten card goes into the deck. You deal each player 4 cards, you give them the diffuse cards, and then you play. Now, unlike most card games, you draw at the end of your turn.
Pause. I give us the 2 diffuse cards?
Yeah, you deal us 4, then you give us 2 of the diffuse cards, 2 of them go into the deck.
I put 2 in the deck before I shuffle.
Okay. That means there's 2 in the deck. Now you give us 2 diffuse cards.
Yes. We give each of us 1.
Each of us get 1 diffuse card out.
And then the Exploding Kitten card goes randomly in.
Yes. Now, the point is to not draw the Exploding Kitten card.
Game over, you lose.
Unless you have a diffuse, then you can cheat.
And you cheat.
And the best part about cheating with the diffuse card is you can put the card back in the deck wherever you want. So you can just put it on the top.
So there's 2 of us. So if somebody gets that, they're putting it on the top to screw the next person.
Yes.
So, you go first?
Actually, yes.
Now we will read these cards, and I'll get pictures of them and show you what we're playing. And we'll read them now. These are not safe for work, so be
And
wary.
some of them are pretty awful.
Well, they're very awful. But this is the beginning of something different. Kevin will begin. Oh, look at that. Good? That's a mon.
Alright, now it's going to be a little...
It'll be slow at first.
Because we both know that the Exploding Kitten card is not on the top of the deck.
It's not on the top of the deck. However...
So we're just going to be drawing wildly for time being.
We will be drawing wildly.
Until someone plays the shuffle. Then it'll be on like Donkey Kong.
Yes. There are cards, there are different style cards. There are nope cards, which if Kevin plays something that I don't like, I can nope it and he can automatically stop that. However, if he also has a nope, he can nope my nope and make it happen. There are favor cards, which makes your opponent give you 1 card of their choice. There are see the future cards, where you draw the top 3 cards of the deck and see them and put them back. There are attack cards that makes your opponent take 2 turns and you do not take a turn. There are skip cards, which mean you do not draw a card. And there are random cards that have no things on them that are fairly hilarious. So it's my turn. Draw. Your turn. By the way, as we play these, we're going to read the caption, no matter what the caption is.
Yes.
Good? Or do you have a play?
Not yet.
You're up. Yet.
Yes.
Good? I feel like I'm not quite as dumb, because last time we played this was the first time. And there are ways to get rid of a bunch of cards. Play doubles. I get one of his cards. Drop 5 of a kind. 5 different kinds. You can select. I select 1 card from your hand without seeing it. I thought.
Okay. These are special like attack combos you can do. If you get the of any card, doesn't matter what. If you have 2 of the same kind, you can play them and steal one of your opponent's cards.
Right.
like the favorite card.
3.
If you play 3 of a kind, you can steal. You can name a card, and your opponent has to give you one if they have one.
5 of a kind.
You can steal out of the discard pile.
That's what it was, discard pile. Which would be dumb because right now there isn't one. Your turn?
I think I just. No, I don't think I did. I don't know if I did. I'm gonna shuffle the deck.
It's a good idea.
Smoke some crack with a baby owl, and the baby owl says, "Let's smoke this rock, motherfuckers."
Yes.
Now, this is gonna screw everything up because now we won't have any idea what Exploding Kitten is. If any of you have ever played a card game with me, when I shuffle, which usually drives people I play with freaking crazy.
Should watch him play poker. Speaking of which, we need to play poker.
Play poker. Let me get some people to get it.
Take CTC on the road and go to the riverboat. They'll think that's awesome, just filming everything in the casino.
I'm sure they'll be super impressed.
Oh, I know they will. Oh. Good? I'm going to see the future and check the next 3 cards. Do I still draw one?
Yep, you already know it.
Alrighty, you're up.
I'm going to play 3 overly prolific mama cats. And the caption is a mama cat on her back.
Oh, you'll see it.
Going, and the baby cats are flying out.
There,
with sound effects of pew 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 pew.
Machine gunning kittens, if you will.
Give me one of your diffuse cards.
Name your cards. I'm trying to see which one I want to give you. That'll be the one I want to give you. Okay, you're up.
Excellent.
I just laughed at the card I drew. I am going to attack by unleashing some adorable penguin diarrhea and make Kevin take 2 turns. You're up. You contemplating doing something? Thought against it? Alrighty.
I'm going to see the future with a boob wizard. It says, discover a boob wizard living in your boobs. Listen to the secrets he tells.
Listen to the secrets he tells. Now, he looks at that. However, I'm going to play a shuffle. And the shuffle says, a kraken emerges. And he's super upset. The kraken says, stop going pee-pee in the ocean. So without looking at anything, I too am going to Kevin shuffle. Now look at that future.
I'm going to shuffle.
No, he's going to shuffle my shuffle.
An asparagus bum dragon appears. There's a dragon crabbing asparagus.
Again, you'll need to see these cards. I'm going to see the future by attaching a butterfly to your genitals and see where it takes you. Oh, that's us.
You're drunk.
Oh.
Yep.
Me?
Yes.
I'm going to play a favor card. Fall so deeply in love it gives you both crazy diarrhea. Give me a card of your choice. Oh, I knew you would. Nice. Your turn. Do I still draw? No, that was my draw, right?
No, he's up. You always have to draw.
Okay, you're up.
Give me an attack card.
Ooh, an attack card. Oh. You're welcome. It's a good one. You're up. It's going to come to a time where we just start unleashing the beast at each other.
It really is.
Okay. I'm going to see the future.
Alright.
Weave an infinity boner and live forever. For it is the most sacred of boners. My turn?
Yes.
I want one of your diffuse cards.
What a dick.
Fair game.
You draw?
Oh, I did not draw. Okay, I drew. My bad, I forgot. Me?
Yep.
You're up. I can tell you're riveted. So are we.
That was the end, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. We probably should make a rule where you can't look like that. Continue.
Draw 6 cards. Draw 4 cards.
No.
Draw 2 cards?
No. I can't even do it like that. Just continuously. I guess you can.
Yes.
Okay. You gonna draw a card though? I really wish that was it. I'm gonna play a skip. Continue without drawing a card.
Let me back my diffuse card.
I'm gonna. You're a different diffuse card. And I'm gonna play another skip. And this skip is go base jumping using a pair of old lady balloons. Continue.
Your turn.
See the future. 1, 2, 3.
I've had some see the future cards.
And I also draw the top card. Continue.
Give me a card.
Enjoy. Draw one, right? Shuffle. How should I shuffle this?
I don't
That's
know.
the way I was, like right there, like one card at a time, in the middle.
However you want it.
In the middle. You can't see me in the bottom right.
They probably can. Cheaters.
Bunch of cheaters. Next time we're gonna deal a hand for the camera. Okay, now do I still draw a card? What's it say?
Yeah.
First of all, discover you have a toilet werewolf. Shuffle the draw pile. If I draw the end card right here, I can play the fusil, correct?
Yes.
Good. Continue.
One of your cards.
Baby Robin, your best friend. That's disgusting. Does yourself draw one though? Oh, God.
hell's the card?
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know either.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Are you good?
Yes.
Give me one of your cards. And it says, favor. Donate your body to cat science. Do I still draw?
Yep.
Oh no. Gotta get that diffuse card ready.
There's only one card left.
Is that it? You gotta look. Oh yeah, I guess you don't have to look.
It's the bottom card.
Okay, what are you gonna do?
Diffuse.
Can I nope that?
Diffuse.
Then I'm gonna diffuse it as well.
Diffuse.
Oh, wait. Oh. What? Wait. Give me a card.
No.
I had to try. Alright, I guess I lose. I lost. It happens. We're gonna try some other card games like this.
Hope of nope for the win.
The Hope of Nope! My Exploding Kitten card is hysterical. You'll see it. But, yeah, fun game. Be interesting to play with more people. It'd be a
It'd be a lot
cluster.
better to play more.
But it's fun with two. The next game we're going to try, I think, is Super Fight. And let us know if there are any other card games.
Board
Obviously, the board games.
We're not playing Settlers, though.
No, we're not playing Settlers. And sometimes tabletop games may be too long to film this way. But,
We
like,
might have to cut some on it.
well, yeah, there might be some cuts here, but you'll see the premise of this game. However, until next time.
Butt tuba backwards is still a butt tuba.
Thanks for staying until after the credits.